Rhine River village. This one is called Bakar. Okay, let's see what we see. Let's go. We haven't been in here, but we're just showing you as it happens. We go through the city wall, of course. There's some beautiful wisteria on the right side here. Look at this. And my wife is finding the center of the city. Oh, this is lovely. Look at this place. Oh, look, there's a church over there from the medieval times. Look at this. Half timbered. This is cute. Bacharach. Okay, we've got some exploring to do. That street there looks interesting. We could go any one of three ways here. And oh, look up on the hill. Everywhere you look, way up there. It's a castle. They're always on the top. So when you're biking, it's not easy to get up there. How lovely. Okay, we are going into Bacharach. Oh, everywhere we turn, everywhere we point the camera, it's so beautiful. Here in little Bacharach, tourists don't come here much. Look at the wisteria. It's wisteria time of the year. Go over here. So cute. The half-timbered cafes. And look over here. More wisteria. And my wife, she's leaving without me. She's walking through this archway, this gateway through the road, more half-timbered. No tourists back here. This is not much of a tourist city. But look at this tower here. And the road goes right under. There goes my wife. Yes, everywhere we turn we find things to look at. Look at the vineyards up here on the hillsides. They go way to the top. And this, the road, goes right through the center there. And my wife, she's found a beautiful place to take a rest.
See? I'm fixing my hair.
Did you see the castle? It's right up here. There's a little turret in the front, but the main castle is way up there, the castle at Bakar, way up on the top of the hill. I'm not sure we're gonna make it that far. When you're on the bike, it's not easy to climb all the way to the top of the hill. Okay, I think we're gonna sit here for a few minutes and take a little rest, and then back to the Rhine. Look at these half-timbered houses here. They're all different angles. That one leans that way, leans this way. That one leans this way. They're all leaning. Every room is a different level. But you can see the date there. It's from 1571. It's the real thing. What a lovely little town. We just want to prove the point one more time that we were just looking for a WC, which is the
Woman's closet.
The woman's closet, the bathroom, and I said, let's walk in here. This looks like it may be a good place to find a bathroom. And then we see this cathedral. It's just in ruins, but it's so gorgeous. But look at this cafe. Unbelievable. Look on all sides. And we're just looking for the WC, the water closet. Have I convinced you yet that every direction you turn, it's very beautiful? The day is finally getting a little bit sunny, and we just came around the corner, and here's another beautiful castle up here. Hello. I said hola, I wasn't even thinking. What country are we in? Hola. But look at this castle up here. It just jumped out of nowhere. Very beautiful. So many surprises on this trail. If you get bored in about 2 minutes, there's something new to look at. We found something special. Right on the banks of the Rhine. We're right here. There's a mom and a dad, and the dad, he's hissing at us. He's protecting his baby. He's ready to fight. Here's mom. Oh, she's hissing. There's the little baby right there. And there's another baby down there. Protecting the babies. I won't get any closer, don't worry. And here's some more up here. They stay together. The male and the female, they raise the family together. There's dad and 2 babies jumping in the water right there. And mom's going down the hill. They got 3 more babies. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 babies. And come on, mom, jump in the water. There she goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ducks in a row. We're seeing a little bit of sun at the end of the day. Yeah, look at that. They're in a row. We did it. We have found the ferry boat to Rudesheim. It's over there, but the cars have to come off and then we go on. You ready? We're going to cross the Rhine again. Here we go. Okay, we get to cross the Rhine for about $3 each, including the bikes. 2 people, 2 bikes, $3. What a bargain. And there's Rudesheim right there. And Rudesheim, next to Cologne, which is number 1, Rudesheim is the 2nd most visited city in Germany. We can see the chairlift. There's a chairlift that runs across that way. We're probably riding the chairlift this time because last time we didn't do it. You excited?
Yes, I am.
All right, vamonos to Rudesheim. It's our final day of biking. It's so sad, but we are in Rudesheim, which is the 2nd most visited city in Germany. But the tourists come here to the Drosselgasse for the cute shops, for the half-timbered buildings from hundreds of years ago. But it's early in the morning and we are heading to the chairlift. We'll see you at the chairlift. It's over here.
Here we are.
Oh, look, the lines are long, but we were smart. We already bought our tickets when the ticket window opened. Where's the ticket?
I got it here. Ticket.
Let's go. Vamonos to the chairlift. This one's not as scary as Volpart. That's where your feet hang in the open space, and it's like a ski lift. But this one is a little cage thing, so
In the cage.
it's pretty tame.
Yeah.
You don't have to be afraid of this one.
Not this one. It's not exposed.
I gotta tell you the truth. My wife was major scared on the last one where the chairlift swung your feet over the edge. Okay, we're ready.
Yeah.
We just saw the number of our car. It's number 13. Oh no, I'm serious. It's 13. I don't know about this. What do you think? Okay, we're getting on. Number 13. Oh. I think my wife was scared before, but now we're on number 13. How could that happen? There's like over 100 cars. It's 100 to 1 that we got number 13. Okay, ready? We're gonna take off. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Woo! We're in the open air, and we're starting to see the castles below. Beautiful church spire. There's the Rhine River in all its glory, and today it's a little cool, but no rain. It's been threatening every day, but it hasn't really rained yet. We're going higher. Look, there's vineyards everywhere. Here's the ferry boats we crossed yesterday. One's going to the left and one's going to the right. That's the Bingen-Rudesheim ferries. And they only cost, with the bike even, it's
like $6.
yes, it's $3 for the person and the bike. Very cheap. Things in Europe are so cheap compared to the US. It's going to be hard to get back to the US at those horrible inflated prices that's happened in the last year. All right, we're going to the top. We're getting close to the top. There it is, right there. I think we can get out. We can walk around, and there's a special statue up here that we can visit. The park at the top. Okay, we gotta hop out. Get ready.